Hi everybody, this is a continuation of the video from before. I'm really sorry, my memory card got full. I got a bunch of videos and pictures on there. So yeah, we're back out here. We're going to do 2 meter simplex, so we can prove that it does work on 2 meters. Let me go and call W9MRB and 9SSU.
9SSU, W9MRB. Go ahead, Bill.
Okay, Mikey, we're doing simplex right now. We're on 146.550 here in Chicago. I just want to make sure I'm passing some audio. I got the radio about 12 inches from my mouth, and I'm actually got the camera in between, so I might be coming a little bit muffled. I just want to show people that I'm actually keying up and I'm talking.
No, I hear you fine. It's a little bit low because you're a little far away, but I can hear you no problem.
No problem. Mike and I are about, I'd say about 6-7 miles apart. We're on simplex. I'm on the rubber ducky. He's on an antenna probably about 40 feet up in the air, so that's not bad. He's got some super receive, so that's why he's hitting it really well. Mike, I appreciate all your help. Let me turn the display on. It's a little hard with one.
No problem. Sounds good, Bill. W9MRB.
Okay, Mike, I appreciate your time, and I'm going to wrap this up, and here is the transmit button. Mike, can you say one more thing, one more time?
Hello, testing 1, 2. How's the audio there?
You're sounding beautiful all the time, Mike. You're sounding good. I appreciate it again. W9MRB and 9SSU. Okay, so
W9MRB.
as you can see, it does work. It works fine. It works on 2 meters. Works on 440. I do have some Chicago police programmed in here. Let me see if I can get on there so you can hear. I do it the monitor. I'm on APRS, GMRS, police.
What's here? Yes, Clyde, can you see if there's a car anywhere near a station? Just got reports there was 3 male blacks just walked into the back lot along the side. Might be looking for a car.
Okay, anybody near the station to check that out? In 25?
There's a couple of us back here. They're being taken care of right now.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to Chicago. Let's see if there's any other
Phone,
activity.
please watch your keys. Check your partner's keys. If you have an emergency, switch over to the citywide.
Chicago's having a problem with their radios again. Nothing new.
313, Robert.
So as you can see, this does work. So it's not a bad radio. I'm going to price it accordingly. These chargers are rare. It's nice to have the original charger. The 2 dead batteries, which I got them to charge once and work. They don't work anymore. The radio, it's got the aftermarket antenna. The radio is in nice shape. It's got hairline scratches on the display. You might be able to buff them out. The buttons are all nice. They're not worn off. This button's nice here. These 2 buttons are in good shape. It's missing the flap here. It's got a little bit of scratches on the bottom right here where my thumb is at. Aftermarket battery, which does the high power output. The knob right here is a little bit scratched up. Somebody like notched it in. So, you know, it is showing some wear. I'm going to price it accordingly. It does work. And I had 3 of these, and I'm going to tell you something. This is the last one that I'm selling. They're really nice radios, programmed beautifully. I used a programming cable to program all the frequencies in. What I ran across is, not on 2 meters, but on UHF. It's 5 kc off on every frequency. So in other words, if the repeater is 443.825, I had to program it at 443.830 on receive and transmit for it to transmit properly and receive properly. It's not the radio, because all 3 I do them that way. I'm missing something. I don't know how to program these. You know, so it does work. But I just want to let you know, if you're hardcore hammer, if you've been around for a while, it's stupidity on my part. I do not know how to program it, because if all 3 radios did the same thing, it's not a defect. It's something. Somebody told me it might be the programming software that I used. It might not be calibrated correctly, but like I said, if the repeater is 443.825, I had to program it at 443.830, 5 kc off. 5 kilohertz off so I could get it to transmit or receive properly. Just on UHF, not on 2 meters. I disclose everything, okay? That's why you see the video. It works. Display is functional. It works properly. The backlight works. The 2 lights for receive and transmit work on top. The receive and transmit are good. It's holding battery charge. The charger works. There's a lot of junk out there with no pictures. One picture doesn't show it on. Nobody shows a video to see it operating. I went all the way and I did. So it's well worth what I'm going to be asking for. I want to thank you for your time. It's hard to take videos with one hand too, so you gotta forgive me on that. Bid accordingly, bid confidently, take a look at the feedback. I've sold a bunch of radios recently, a whole bunch of auctions, and it's all been positive feedback. So thank you again.